Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Underglow Light Kit is probably one of the most eye-catching modifications you can make to your golf cart. These kits are designed to cast a vibrant glow beneath your cart, instantly upgrading its style and making it stand out, especially during nighttime rides. Whether you're cruising around the neighborhood or hitting the golf course, an Underglow Light Kit is a surefire way to turn heads and express your personality. Number 5. DITRIO M12 or Motorcycle Underglow LED Strip Light Kit. This LED strip kit is designed to withstand tough conditions. It focuses on durability, ensuring it works reliably even with voltage fluctuations. This means it's built to last. Featuring LEDs with gold bonding wires, this kit offers superior electrical conductivity. It provides up to 1000 lumens per meter, ensuring maximum brightness. You'll definitely be seen. Equipped with big MOSFETs and quality wiring, this kit provides ample power. It can handle extra strips, so you can create a brilliant display. This ensures the lights shine brightly. Beyond the standard solid red brake light, this kit offers 2 additional blinking styles. These are easily selectable using the included 24-key remote. It enhances safety and visibility. The kit includes an independent microphone for music synchronization. With gold-plated pins and high sensitivity, it beautifully follows your music's rhythms. It adds a dynamic visual element. What we like. This kit prioritizes reliability, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. It also boasts maximum brightness with gold bonding wires and high-density LEDs. Moreover, the music mode allows it to sync with your music. If you are looking for a kit that offers both durability and a dynamic light show, you should consider this. What people say. The light kit was super easy to install and works very well. It is bright, easy to use, and looks really good. I like that it came with a kill switch. It sets my mind at ease knowing it won't drain my battery. The adhesive strips aren't 3M but stick very well. You need to clean the area with auto soap and water, then dry and then use a cotton ball with rubbing alcohol to prep the surface for adhesion. This is what I did, and after 3 weeks they are still there. If you're installing on a Harley touring, underneath the tank close to the center there is a pocket that the lights fit into perfectly. I found the best way to mount them was to take the tank off, prep the surface, and then stick them on. For now it looks awesome and I'm safer at night. Number 4. LEDGlow Golf Cart Underglow Kit, fits most carts. Enhance your golf cart with vibrant, multicolor underglow lighting. This kit is designed to fit most 12-volt powered golf carts, instantly upgrading its look. The kit features a control box with 18 solid colors, along with various scan, flash, chase, and sound activation modes. You can easily customize the lighting to match your style. It includes 4 flexible, water-resistant tubes, each equipped with SMD LEDs. These tubes are designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. The kit comes with detailed step-by-step instructions, making installation straightforward. You'll have your golf cart illuminated in no time. LEDGlow has been a trusted name since 2001, offering a 1-year limited warranty, free lifetime technical support, and 30-day returns. They stand behind their products. What we like. This kit offers a million color options and multiple lighting modes. The flexible tubes and included accessories make installation straightforward. If you like a wide range of colors and easy setup, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Whether you roll with LEDGlow, Yamaha, or Club Car, these flexible, water-resistant tubes fit perfectly and light up your wheels with a dazzling million-color spectrum. The LEDs are mounted in a quality all-weather cover with plug ends on the wires. Remote works well and looks nice as a key chain for the cart. Number 3. 10L0L Golf Cart Underglow LED Light Kit. This Underglow LED Light Kit is designed for all golf carts. It's compatible with various brands, making it a versatile choice. This is the perfect accessory to upgrade your cart. Enjoy 24 light modes, including solid colors and fade options. It also has flash, chase, and music sync modes. This is great for any party or holiday decoration. The wireless remote makes it easy to control the lights. With 4 buttons, you can switch between different modes. The music sync mode makes your cart move to the beat. It includes a control box that works with 12V ADV. You can connect it directly to any golf cart battery. No voltage converter is needed. The flexible LED strip lights can be bent and mounted easily. It includes waterproof strips in different sizes. It's an ideal accessory and gift for golf cart owners. What we like. This kit features wide voltage compatibility, making it suitable for various golf carts. The wireless remote control offers easy operation, and the waterproof design ensures durability. If you have a golf cart and want a versatile and easy-to-use Underglow kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The strips are bright with vibrant colors, and the canopy lights add extra visibility that makes the cart stand out. The remote control makes it easy to switch colors or modes on the fly, and the lights respond quickly. The strips are flexible enough to mount where you need them, and they've held up well so far against bumps and vibration while driving. Number 2. OPT7 Aura Golf Cart Underglow LED Light Kit. This Aura kit is designed to work with any 12-volt golf cart, whether it's electric or gas-powered. If you have a 26 or 48-volt system, you'll just need a step-down transformer. Installation is easy. You can control it in 3 different ways. Use the on/off switch or the 2 wireless remotes for a fast and cool way to manage the lighting effects on your golf cart. The LED strips are flexible and can be installed in hard-to-reach areas. You can bend, twist, and curve them to fit any surface using the included zip ties and extension wires. Make sure the surface is clean and dry for the best results. Choose from a variety of colors and lighting modes to match your mood. The kit offers vibrant colors, stunning cycles, color fades, strobes, and more. Enhance your safety with the Smart Brake function. When you brake, the strips will change to a red warning mode. Connect the AUX wire to your brakes to let everyone know when you're stopping. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty from the order date. The US-based customer service team is ready to help with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This kit offers a universal fit and is easy to install. It also features a Smart Brake Light function for enhanced safety. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to install and adds a safety feature, you should consider this. What people say. These LED lights are fantastic. They come with all the accessories you need, making installation a breeze. The kit comes with a lot of pieces consisting of 4 LED strips, long and short extension wires, and splitters. While all of these pieces increase the install time, it provides many more options in how I was able to configure the lights. The lights are bright and show very well at night. The LED strips are flexible and appear to be well built and have strong mounting tape on the back. The remote controls work well with the control box, and the kit as a whole has a wide range of colors. Number 1. LEDGlow Million Color Golf Cart Underglow Kit. This LEDGlow kit adds vibrant, multicolor underglow to your golf cart. It's designed to fit most 12-volt powered golf carts, making it a versatile choice for customization. The kit features a control box with 10 solid colors and multiple modes. You can choose from various colors like blue, red, and green, as well as strobe, fade, and flash modes. It includes flexible, water-resistant tubes with bright SMD LEDs. These tubes are designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. The kit comes with detailed instructions to guide you through the installation process. It includes everything you need, from mounting hardware to a 12-port junction box. LEDGlow offers a 1-year limited warranty, free lifetime technical support, and a 30-day return policy. They are committed to customer satisfaction since 2001. What we like. This kit offers a million color options and an expandable design. The included accessories and detailed instructions make installation easy. If you want a kit that provides a wide range of colors and is easy to set up, this is a great choice. What people say. Really are bright at night. Super easy to install. Many variations of patterns and light shows in all different colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.